I'm in the San Diego Flower Market where everything is beautiful. Here's a big wide shot. Look at that. And that cooler over there has a sea of flowers in there as well. Here we have some of the more exotic fillers. Odd colored carnations. Look at those. Mums. Let's check it out. Box hydrangeas. Look at these. Here's some nice protea from Hawaii or maybe Thailand, the different varieties. So, if you want your flowers, get to the Carlsbad Flower Market. Berries,
otherwise this would be really
alstroemeria, fall mums, hanging amaranthus. California has the most gorgeous flower markets in the country. Why? Because it's grown right here or shipped up from Mexico nearby, so it's not traveling. Inside the cooler. So there we go. Oh, let's look at these over here. Wait. Flower School 101. There's your pick of the day. I actually bought some of these for class. They are not cheap, ladies and gentlemen, but they sure make everything we design look pretty. Here's another color. Here's another flower, similar color. I hope you're enjoying this preview today of gorgeous flowers in Carlsbad. They have the most gorgeous flowers in the world. Look, baby's breath, making a comeback. It's a sea. If you ever get to San Diego, Carlsbad area, come look at this flower market. It will knock your socks off. Here's a place called Ramirez Floral. He carries a lot of odd Holland products that you don't find everywhere else. Here's a Stilby right there. So take it all in. Carlsbad Flower Market. This is where our classes are held. Schools around the country. Ooh, let's look at the greens. I'm a greens man. And they have every type of green. Someone's piling up their cart with sales. Eucalyptus, seeded eucalyptus. Italian Pittosporum. Leucadendrum. A row of sunflowers. Everything you need is here. Cooler. Look at this place. Who is buying all these flowers? I'm gonna come back for some of these today for my class. Gladiolas, more of those berries. Isn't that pretty? I should leave you with that picture. It's like a forest fire made out of berries. Anyway, Carlsbad Flower Market, take it all in. I'm gonna make one more loop. Fall mums, but they carry every flower you could imagine. Give me some feedback. Tell me what you think. Flowerschool101.com.